As temperatures rise across the UK, Brits are gearing up for a mini heatwave set to hit the country in the coming days. According to the latest forecasts from the Met Office, a heat dome phenomenon is predicted to bring scorching conditions, marking the start of a prolonged period of hot weather. This weather pattern, commonly referred to as a heat dome, occurs when a high-pressure system traps hot air underneath it, leading to soaring temperatures. Meteorologists have pinpointed the exact start date, and maps indicate that large parts of the UK will experience significantly warmer weather than usual. The Met Office has issued warnings urging people to stay hydrated and take precautions against the heat. Public health advisories are in place to remind individuals, especially the elderly and vulnerable, to stay indoors during peak sunshine hours and avoid strenuous activities. This hot spell comes amidst a summer already marked by extreme weather events worldwide, underscoring the broader impacts of climate change. The UK, typically known for its temperate climate, is no stranger to occasional heat waves, but the intensity and frequency of such events have been increasing in recent years. In response to the forecast, local authorities are preparing contingency plans to ensure public safety. Cooling centers are being set up in major cities to provide refuge for those who may not have access to air conditioning. Additionally, emergency services are on standby to respond to incidents related to heat exposure. While many look forward to basking in the sunshine, concerns about the effects of prolonged heat waves on agriculture and infrastructure linger. Farmers are monitoring crop conditions closely, as water demand increases and livestock management becomes more challenging in the heat. Residents are advised to follow updates from the Met Office and local authorities for the latest information on weather conditions and safety tips. As temperatures continue to rise, it's crucial to remain vigilant and prioritize personal well-being during this period of unusually hot weather.